Kakenhun na Tnat ka Koit ka Khiah. Jong gejela kan naik ban Iakynduh ya Myntri ka Tnat kam Pohiing ka Sorkar Pdeng la syam tayo ban pan jingkershan ban pen klan ya kan ni ka Tnat. Nalor ka jingker pat ban khami lem ya bun kimat ki bayade bat ka negrims hasilong. Haba pentip ya kani ka Myntri ka Tnat ka Koit ka Khiah ikong amprin lingdo ila ong ba ka Sorkar jela kan sabanjur ya ka Tnat ka Koit ka Khiah ka Sorkar Pdeng ban yo ya ka jing itu na ka aims ila ya thu ru ba ka Sorkar kan sa shim Khiah ya kamat ka bayade bat ka jingla ban pentrai kamno ya ka Cancer Research Center ha ka te ka Jakapule. Kala ong ru badai bandon ka jing bha seat pakerpang na ka benta ki doktor jong ka jela ban leit puli postgraduate hanegrims.
This new government is the very fact that Negrims continues to have a status not like a national institute like AIMS and others, so we want that to get sorted out. The second thing is we want a fast track and operationalization of the cancer hospital adjacent to the Negrims hospital in the same campus. That is a very important that's going to be a very important project, so we would like to bring it to the attention of the Honorable Minister of Health for the Union Government. Enable our own doctors to avail a special quota to study post-graduation studies in the Negrims facility.
Ka Myntri ka